Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control board in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the screws securing the access cover to the control panel. You can use a putty knife to help pry the cover free. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the front screws securing the top panel. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the rear screws. Disconnect the ice bin thermistor wire connector, along with the cutting grid wire connector. Lift the top panel up and have the assistant support it. Unthread all of the screws to release the control housing from the top panel. Unthread the screws securing the grounding wire so you can set the top panel aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the mounting screws securing the control board. Depress the tab to release the board. Note the location of the wire connectors, then disconnect them from the board. Install the new control board by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Snap the new board into place in the control housing and thread the mounting screw. Secure the control housing grounding wire to the top panel with the screw. Realign the housing on the panel and thread all of the screws. Reposition the top panel. Reconnect the cutting grid wire connector, along with the thermistor wire connector. Rethread the front and rear screws to secure the top panel. Reinstall the access cover by aligning the bottom edge first so the ice scoop housing rests on the top of the cover. Secure it with the screws. Move the appliance back into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.